Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw items from Notion Project Tracker databases securely step by step clearly. First, open your Notion app or website and navigate to the Project Tracker database you want to withdraw items from. Locate the specific item you wish to withdraw. Click on the item to open its detailed view. In the detailed view, check if there are any linked databases that may also require updates. If applicable, update or remove any relationships the item has with other entries. Next, look for the More option, usually represented by three dots in the top right corner of the item view. Click on the More option to reveal additional actions. Select Archive if you want to remove the item but keep it for future reference. If you need to permanently delete the item, choose the Delete option instead. Confirm the deletion if prompted to ensure you want to proceed. To withdraw multiple items at once, return to the main database view. Select the checkboxes next to the items you wish to withdraw. After selecting the items, look for the same More option in the toolbar. Choose Archive or Delete from the drop-down menu depending on your intention. Review your actions before confirming to prevent accidental loss of data. Once you have withdrawn the items, consider organizing the database for better clarity. Use filters or sorting options to easily navigate through remaining entries. Finally, review your project tracker to ensure everything reflects your current needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.